Hi folks, we'll continue on with our residential house. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and continue and look at this exercise from the beginning. Now here we've got our wall section, our building section here, and it's coming from the floor plan, and it's actually this one. We're going to look at two. So there's two. Yep, that's the one. So now we're going to look at another way you can create wall sections here. But first of all, I want to do some view overrides. So if you want to do view overrides, you'll just go and click VV here. Please subscribe to the channel, helps me make these videos. And we want to do, let's say, normally you get these cut patterns and stuff. So I'm going to look at our walls here. I'm going to go find my walls. Let's go all the way down. Finally back, folks. Went on vacation. And there's our wall. So we're going to go for our cut pattern overrides. So here I'm going to select overrides here. We have no pattern, so we're going to select a solid fill for the walls. We're going to hit the color, and there, I want them about this color right here. So I'm going to put it there, and I'll go OK. And OK here. And I'm going to apply. And OK. So there's our walls in a different shade. So let's go and look at the floors and the bearings. So I'm going to go back into my visibility graphics, that key in VV. So we get floors here. We'll select floors and we hit the override key. And we're going to do a pattern. We got our pattern set. It was that one. But we need to, okay, we got the color in there. So we're going to keep that color. I'm going to say OK. OK. And apply. So there's our floor. Now here we've got our, okay, so here we've got our slab, concrete slab and bearing footing. So same thing here, VV. Go at our concrete slab. Okay, where is it? Okay, now here, where are they? Okay. Concrete slab, okay. I'm gonna see if that's foundations. Just hit that and override. And I'm gonna do a pattern here. So this is very simple here. You just go and set the fill. Okay. Apply. Okay, there we are. But these want to make these dark as well. So we can select this and hit the color. And here, we'll select this override pattern. This one. Okay. Okay. Apply. So there we have our fields. Now we can even turn things off. So we might not want to see these doors here. So we're going to go back into visibility graphics. And then we can shut off our doors. There's the doors. Just untick that box and go OK. And then here with our ceilings, we can change these to cut as well. But for the roof now, let's go and do the same thing with our roof, just to be uniform here. So I'm going to go to VV here and go to my roof and do the same cut pattern. There it is. View overrides here. We're going to go pattern, solid fill. And then we're going to select this and take that color, apply, OK. All right, so there's our new, actually we're going to do our floors as well here. So let's go and do another VV. Let's find our floors. You can also make this into a view template. So this is how you would get this type of section cut. So I'm going to go here and do our pattern, cut pattern, Solid fill. It's pretty repetitious. We want that new color. Okay. Okay. Apply. As you can see. And okay. Now, for this particular section, we can do another type of wall section here. We can go and do our call out view. And we can go and just drag this guy up in here like so. Okay. And then we could bring this, select this, and pull our bubble up to there. And then we can double click this view, this bubble, and there's our section. Okay, and then we will go and do the same thing with the other section view. So that's all I wanted to show you how to do the view overrides. Now we can also create a view template here. So for this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into that section. Nope, not that one. Go back into this one here. And actually, we might want to even turn off some of this furniture here. I think we may want to keep the door, so we can go back to VV here and say we want to bring our doors back. Well, I'll tell you what, let's turn off these. No, I think we might want to see those in the view. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you briefly how you would make another wall section here for this wall. So this is another typical way you can do wall sections. You double click here. There's that one. Now for the other view we have here, we got our section 3. Yep, we're going to, for section 3, what we're going to do is go back to section 1, and we're going to go out to our view templates. And then we want to say apply view template from current view. So we'll select that, and we'll give it a name. So we'll say here, we'll click here, or we'll go and show, okay, I'm going to leave that there for now. But I'm going to focus on the overrides here. We'll show you how to do a view template later. And then now what we do is we'll go into our new sections drawing, building section drawing here. This one here. There's our 9, and this is our 8. And then we're going to adjust this scale and make this to a 1/2 inch. Deactivate this view and move it into place. So that's how you do overrides with building sections. And then these new building sections will go on our wall section drawing here, our new wall section drawing that we created. And these sections will fall under building section here. So this one will go here. That's that one. Nope, I'm sorry. Under the wall, let me see, building section, oh, here. So these will go here like so. Nope, my bad, sorry. Where are they? Where are they? Building section. So what happened was we got a call out from that building section that we created. And they are going to fall, where would they fall under? Let me go back into this view. Nope, not that one. This one. And double click this. Where's that? This is a view section call out. So on the sections, we should have a call out here somewhere on the sections. Okay, go back to that drawing here, the new one. And go back to my sheet. It'll be sheet number 11. then I got sections. It should be under sections. We got wall plans, section. And the key figure will be that it's not, there they are. Is that it? No, it should be call out. Interesting here. Why don't I see? Okay. Oh, let me go to views. No wonder. This is everything here now. There they go. No, I don't see them. Ceiling, elevation, section. Okay, here we go. Boy. So there's my first section call out. Sorry about that, folks. Brain fart there. There's that one. And here's the other one. So we looked at view overrides and different ways to call sections out as opposed to what we used in the other drawing. So hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I hope you got a little something out of this. And I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and have a good day. So we looked at again, and there's our drawing showing up on those two sheets. So there are two different ways you can do call outs for wall sections. And we looked at view overrides. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody please subscribe and bye.